Wala raw nakikita sa ngayon ang ombudsman na aksyon ni Vice President Sara Duterte na dapat imbestigahan. Ayon kay Ombudsman Samuel Martires, may buwelta rin siya sa opisyal ng Justice Department na nagsasabing dapat disiplinahin ng ombudsman ang vice-presidente.
As far as we are concerned right now, we have not seen any acts of the Vice President that we should investigate. Well, we do not find anything that is in violation of one, the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, of any of the offenses in the revised penal code that is in relation to the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act.
Sabi ni Martires, kung ipipilit raw ni Andres na mag-imbestiga na rin ng ombudsman,
I would advise Yosek Andres to shut up, to stop talking about the case, because one of the powers of the ombudsman is to take over the investigation of a case of any government